Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Science and Technology. It is situated at Thiruvananthapuram. Here we will discuss about the latest notifications regarding the PhD program that is going to be held in January 2022. So in this video we are going to discuss all the aspect of this IIST PhD program January 2022. So we'll discuss about important dates, eligibility, fellowship, everything we are going to discuss. So before that, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notification regarding the latest PhD, UG, PG and other research related videos directly into your mobile screen. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see, we are into the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology official website. Here, if you click on this admission process, so there you can find the PhD. Once you click on the PhD, you will come to this page. There you can check the 2022 regular PhD and sponsored PhD. We'll discuss one by one in this video only. So let us see what are the regular PhD, and once you click on this, it will be showing nothing. Let's click on this eligibility. So here you can see the eligibility for this regular 2022 PhD notification. So the applicant must be an Indian citizen and should be below 35 years of age. Alright. So the relaxation is as per the government rules. So what will be the minimum qualification? So let us see that. If you are unable to see, let me zoom this little bit. Yeah, but now it is not showing properly. Alright, so applicants must have a master degree in engineering and technology as their highest degree qualification, and the application master degree must be secured 65% or CGPA 7 on the scale of 10. Alright, and the OBC EWS relaxation will be there. It will be CGPA 6. Okay, it is for the SCST and PD. So they must have pursued their master's degree on the basis of the qualified GATE score. Alright, so you must when you are pursuing your master's degree, you must qualify your GATE score, then take the admission. It is the basic criteria. Alright, so what will be the selection procedure? For the candidates with ME MTech as their highest degree qualification, so selection of the PhD program will be based on the online screening test following an interview. Okay, it is the general process, we all know that. So interview will be conducted through the video conference mode only, so no need to go for the physical interview. The interview will be on the physical online mode only. However, the candidates with a valid CSIR NET JRF lectureship post in their ME MTech will be directly called for the interview through video conference mode. So you need not to have a online screen test if you are a qualified CSI NET JRF, if you are a qualified candidate. So applicants with the master's degree in science as their highest degree qualification. Okay, so it is similar. The scores, you must have at least 65% or CGPA 7. Alright, so they must have cleared the national eligibility test such as valid CSIR, NET JRF or lectureship fellowship or NBHM or JEST or GATE and the state government science technology scheme. Alright, so this is also there will be an video conferencing mode. The interview process will be done. Okay, so applicants who are employed in the government or semi-government PSU or any autonomous body should produce a NOC. Okay, so this is all about. You can check the GATE score. Minimum it is 500 and general category it is 500 it is, and for the OBC EWS it is 450, and SC ST PWD it is 350. Alright, so let us see what is the 2022 admission, that is PhD sponsor program. So let us click the notification first. So let's see what are the notification here. So if you like this video, and if you think that this video is very helpful for you, and we are also putting lots of videos related to different PhD admissions, so please like this video, press the like button, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Alright, so here is the notification. So online applications are invited for the PhD program from the starting from January 2022 program in the following areas, that is aerospace engineering, okay, avionics, chemistry, earth and space sciences, humanities, mathematics and physics. So the interested candidates are encouraged to go through the department faculty profile for the details pursued at IIST. So age limit will be below 48 years as per the December 10. So previously for the regular program it is, as you can see, that is 35 years, but in case of the sponsored program it is 48 years. Alright, so qualification will be same. You must have a master's degree. Nationality, you must have an Indian citizen. So that means any foreign nationals are not allowed. So part-time PhD scholars are not eligible, okay, for any research fellowship in addition to their applicable. So if you are pursuing part-time, so you will be not eligible for any fellowship. So there will be some fee structures are available. You need to deposit that. For the first semester it is 42,000, around 42,200 rupees, and for the second semester onwards it is 35,700 rupees. So a candidate to confirm the seat have to remit a fees of 7,450 rupees. Okay, so SC ST PD students are exempted from the tuition fees. So there will be some fees. So supplementary exam fees it is there, and other fees are there. You need to check the website. So after the admission also you can get all the details. Alright, so how the selection procedure will be? So part-time PhD program is open to the scientists, engineers, faculty members working in any centers, units, ISRO, DOS, including employees of IIST. Okay, so there must have any PhD admission interview. After that they will give you the admission. Alright, so how to apply? There will be an online form. Okay, this is the website, admission.iist.ac.in. You can check this website. So I'll put this link in the description so that you can go and visit this if you have any queries. So here are the important dates you need to check. So closing of IIST website, online applications will be on December 10th. Okay, so you need to apply before December 10th. Last date of receipt of the hard copy of the application must be December 15th. So online screening test will be December 22nd. Publishing results will be December 29th. Interview will be from January 4th to 5th. Okay, tentative it is, and the classes will be begin from January 17th. So this is all about. So here are some of the other important things I need to show. So these things are already there, but it is the same thing. You can check. Alright. So here is the admission. So first of all, you need to new user go through these 4 steps. That is new user registration, profile registration, your branch registration, download application, candidates login, notifications. All these things you need to be familiar with. I think most of us are very familiar with this procedure. So I hope you like this information. Then definitely please press the like button and also subscribe our channel for the future related videos related to PhD, UG and PG admissions and other research informations in India and abroad. So please join our Telegram channel and other social media handles. Links are in the description. And please check out our other videos available in our channel related to various PhD and research informations. Alright, so with this, thank you for watching this video. See you soon in another video.